Good afternoon to all of you. Here's the summary of a poem, Tintern Abbey, by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is a poet of nature, and this poem is a great inspiration for all of us. So, here's a summary of the poem. The poet is revisiting the banks of River Wye after 5 years, and he is happy to be to the place as the place once again is rekindling his mind and spirits. Rekindling means it is making him feel, starting him, making him feel something. This time he is accompanied by his younger sister. He is with his younger sister. He is describing the scene. He says that there is greenery all around, and even the hedges are no more than wood running wild. That is, he is saying that there is so much greenery all around that even the hedges, that is, the bushes which are there, are no more than wood. That is, the large area with trees running wild. Everywhere there are trees all around. There is a soft sound of the water of the river. He can see some smoke rising up from the trees. It could be arising from some of the temporary cottages, temporary homes, or from a hermit's camp. Hermit is a person who lives alone and who is engaged in prayer. The poet's source of inspiration is nature. Nature has brought peace and harmony. Harmony is balance in his life. His first visit to the place had been like a thoughtless youth who had viewed only, who had seen only the external beauty of nature. He has not been so deep in nature. Nature had not touched his soul, but gradually he has found that being in contact with nature has transformed his life. It has made him a good human being. Now, even others' criticism and ill words do not affect his sublimity. Sublimity means calm and peace of his mind. Nature has made him a mature being. His spirit can easily connect to people, animals, and nature. Nature has helped him in two ways. Firstly, it has transformed him into a good human being by transforming his impure thoughts into pure ones. Secondly, it has given him the experience which is beyond his body, which only which only sages can reach. He is in the company of his sister. He tells her that nature never betrays those who love her. Nature is never disloyal to those who love her. He advises his sister. He advises his sister to absorb whatever she can see, for it would be an assurance. Assurance means 100% which is guaranteed. Assurance for her future. To face the hardships of life, to face the difficulties of life. How can nature how can nature assure? But it can. This is what the poet says. The moments that she had spent with nature would give her courage and peace. The poet says that even if they are away, the remembrance that she had been with him would bring new enthusiasm, and they both will remember that they had been in nature, and that would give them power to move ahead, and that would bring new enthusiasm, hope in her.